the shortest distance between the two lines which are parallel. The previous section was skew lines which are non-parallel. Now between the parallel lines, the shortest distance between them is given by this formula. What is it? If you are representing one line L1 and L2, so L1 is represented by A1 lambda B, L2 is represented by A2 mu B. Then the shortest distance between them is given by B. The B is a common one, which is parallel to both of them, right? So into A2 minus A1, vector A2 minus vector A1 divided by the magnitude of B. Okay, this will give you the shortest distance between the two vectors. Okay, let's see if there's any question connected to this. Yes, we have an example. Just pay attention. So find the shortest distance between the lines. So one line is given like this. Are they parallel to each other? We have to understand first. They are not parallel. So if they are not parallel, what is the formula we have is shortest distance between them is A2 minus A1 into B1 cross B2 by the modulus. This is B1. Okay. This is B1 and B2. So what is A1? A1 is, how to find A1 here? A1 is I plus 2j plus k. So B1 is I minus j plus k, and A2 is 2i plus minus j minus k, and B2 is 2i. This, right? So how to find the cross product? Cross product is nothing but determinant, right? Determinant of this. So which we have again understood from the previous class. So we'll just directly write the values of this vector 1 minus 1 1. This is 2 1 2. So when you solve, this is what you're getting. That is B1 cross B2 is given already minus 3i plus 3k. Okay, so and its magnitude can be taken as 3 square plus 3 square, which is 2 root 3. Well, this is clear. The denominator part is clear, and the where is the numerator part now? So the numerator part is A1 minus A2, so or A2 minus A1 in that order only. So A2 minus A1, if you subtract, what we get is I. Yes, we get simply I. Yes, we'll get I minus 3j. Yes, minus 2k. Okay, this entire thing multiplied by this into our B1 B2 is minus 3i plus 3k. So what we do is minus 3 into 3 will become minus 3 into 1. Yes. Then the second part will become 0, and the last part is minus 2 into 3. So the numerator part is minus 9. So our problem becomes minus 9 by denominator 3 root 2. Finally, the answer is 3 by root 2. So this is your answer. We can also write as 3 root 2 by 2. Right? So this is how we find the angle between the two vectors or two lines in a three-dimensional space. It may be too much for you if you don't understand the basics. So please focus on the basics. That basic is coming from the vector algebra.